Okay, today we are going to show you real quick how to reload the string on your FSA 57 Stihl string trimmer.
Yep, battery operated.
Battery operated.
Yep. It's real easy. This is real easy. You run out of line, you're in the middle of the yard, you know.
Happens to me all the time.
You hate rewinding string, you know, it's always hard, you gotta pull the head off and everything. Well, this one you don't have to pull the head off. You can restring it while the head is on. And we'll show you how to do that today. It has the C3-2 bump head on it. Nothing worse than, you know, you're trimming and you run out of line and it's like, oh man, I hate rewinding these things. But this one's really easy to restring. It only takes a minute and you're ready to go. So you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
So step one is remove the battery. You don't want it accidentally starting, so we'll take the battery out. All right, step two, flip it over. Now you have this head right here, and you have your string. The string size is 0.080 is the string size you need. You need about 20 feet of it, and usually pull it out 3 arms lengths, and that's enough for me. So in order to change the string, you see there's no string in there at all. There's an arrow right here on this bottom bump head, and you line that arrow up with where the string goes in the holes. One there and one there. You just need to have one. So you put your arrow on, line it up with the hole. Do not line it up with the white pieces. Line it up with the hole the string comes out. The arrow here with the string comes out. So once it's lined up, you're almost ready to go. We have to get the length of string out that you want to put in. I usually put in about 3 arm lengths worth.
Out of your way.
1, 2, 3. And then cut those. Alright, so I got about roughly 20 feet here. So you have everything lined up now. Arrows with the hole. All you gotta do is stick it in the hole, and once you stick it in the hole, there's a slot that it goes into. You might have to do it once or twice, but once you get it in the hole, it comes out the other side. And the next thing you have to do is make it even on both sides, and that's where Betsy's gonna pull that. So go even at your end so we know which way to pull. Are you relatively even? Yep. All right. So we got.
It happened off camera, but we're even. We're even.
So we got the same amount of string on either side because it's a dual string. So what we want to do is hold the black part so it doesn't turn, but this center part right here, where the bump head is, that will turn. And you just grab the bump head itself and spin it counterclockwise, and that automatically will pull the string in and restring your trimmer head. And we're almost done here. We cleaned up our trimmer because it was all full of grass. We've been using it so much, so it's not perfectly clean or perfectly brand new, but it works well. And once you get close to the end here, you can see you got about the same length wound up on here. And you should be good to go. That's all it is. Easy as that. And we'll put the battery back in and it'll cut the size, and here we go. There we go. So it's trimmed. Let's pull this battery out. So now, automatically cut the string to size, even with the cutter, right there. And it's as easy as that to restring your trimmer. So just to review again, you have no string in there. You come back, pull 20 feet of string off, about 3 arm length. Line this arrow up right here. You line it up with this hole. Put 10 feet of string through there so they're even on both sides. It'll come out one side and the other. You'll have 2 10-foot lengths. And you just hold the head and counterclockwise on the bump head, and it winds the string up for you, and you're good to go. Alright, so you're out of string, and you don't follow our instructions and you pull this head off accidentally. And you want to just buy the head full of string already and you don't want to restring it. Well, you have to line this up a certain way. So you can see there's a line right there that goes all the way around for the string, and then you can see this is how it's loaded with this little V here. So you got to have that V in the open area around this white area, and then line that up with either hole. So you're going to have one of these on either side and line up with either hole. This spring comes out once in a while, so make sure you have the spring in there when you take it apart. So I don't recommend taking it apart unless you really have to. But if you do, line the opening up here with the string, and there's a couple grooves in here that it fits in, right here, and right here. As you can see, we're going to line up these two grooves right in there, and there you can kind of see it lined right up, right there. And once you're in there lined up, put the cap back on. Don't spin it, just put the cap back on, lock it in place. All right, now you're ready. Now you're ready to go if you want to refill it.
All right, easy as that.
Yep. Hopefully that helps you out. Rewinding the string, and if that string head comes off, how to line it back up so you can use your string trimmer flawlessly.
All right, well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the trails.